Okay, let's just dive right in. AI and marketing. It feels like it's everywhere, right? But how do you actually use it to get real, tangible results without getting totally lost in all the hype? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today. A no-nonsense, practical roadmap to get you from strategy all the way to execution. If you're feeling a little bit of that pressure, that nagging feeling that you should be using AI, but you're just not sure where to start, trust me, you are not alone. It's so easy to feel like you're falling behind. But the good news is, cutting through that noise and actually getting started is way simpler than you think. So here's my promise to you in this explainer. I'm going to give you a clear, actionable plan. No vague theories, no fluff, just a step-by-step system to help you use AI to understand your audience on a deeper level, create amazing content way faster, and actually grow your business. Here's the game plan for today. We're going to start with a super simple definition, then jump into the core 3-part blueprint. After that, we'll get really practical with a 30-day action plan, talk about the tools you'll need, the risks you got to watch out for, and then wrap it all up with a final checklist to get you started literally today. Okay, first things first. What are we even talking about when we say AI and marketing? Let's get a simple, non-technical definition on the table. And the key phrase here, the one I really want you to focus on, is learn from data. See, this isn't just basic automation that follows a bunch of preset rules. This is about using intelligent systems to analyze customer behavior, start predicting what they might want next, and adapting your marketing in real time. It's about making your marketing smarter, not just faster. All right, now for the real heart of this whole thing. This is the 3-part blueprint that takes you from a blank page to a fully functioning AI-powered marketing system. And believe me, doing things in the right order is everything. And this is what I absolutely love about this framework. It gets the mindset right. It's not a one-and-done project. As this diagram from the academic research shows us, it's a continuous cycle. You start with research, you build a strategy, and you take action. And then, this is the magic part. The results from that action feed right back into your research, making the whole system smarter and smarter over time. The right path always starts here, with strategy. Before you even think about asking an AI to write a single social media post, you need to use it to deeply understand who you're talking to. The goal here is to turn AI into your own super fast research analyst. So what does that actually look like? Well, it means feeding the AI real data from your CRM, customer reviews, and support emails to create personas that are true to life, not just guesses based on a gut feeling. It can sift through all that feedback to find hidden patterns, customer fears, their biggest objections, their real reasons for buying, and then help you clarify your core message and even spit out different campaign angles for you to test. And this is exactly why we start with strategy. As Deloitte points out here, just playing around with AI tools isn't the point. The real value, the real win, comes when you connect its use to actual business outcomes. And your strategy, that's the bridge that gets you there. Once you have that solid strategic foundation, and only then, do you move into creating content. See, now you're not just making stuff for the sake of it, you're producing targeted content that's based on real, hard insights. The big mindset shift here is to think like a content factory, not a one-off creator. You build one core piece of content, and then you use AI to systematically repurpose it into tons of different formats. But, and this is crucial, remember that AI is your drafter, not your brand manager. A human always has to be the final quality control to maintain your unique brand voice and, of course, to check for accuracy. Let's make that really tangible. Imagine you create one fantastic, in-depth video. Instead of just stopping there, you use AI tools to help you pull out 5 short, punchy clips for TikTok or Reels, draft 8 different social media posts highlighting key takeaways, create 12 stories with cool visuals, and write a summary email for your newsletter. That's one effort for dozens of assets. Game changer. So, you've got your strategy and your content. The final part of this blueprint is putting it all into motion and letting AI do the heavy lifting of execution and continuous improvement. This is where the real leverage kicks in. AI can manage your email campaigns, it can implement predictive lead scoring, which is basically just a fancy way of saying it tells you which leads are most likely to convert, so your sales team knows who to call first, and it can even optimize your ad campaigns in real time. Just as one example, a media company used this kind of personalization to get 65% higher open rates on their newsletters. That's huge. And if you think that's impressive, get ready for this. Look at this example from Harley-Davidson. They used an AI platform to analyze their customer data to find lookalike audiences. The result? A staggering 2,930% increase in qualified monthly leads. I mean, wow, that's the power of connecting insights to automation. Okay, that was the what. Now let's move to the how. A blueprint is great, but a weekly plan is even better, right? This is how you can make all of this real in the next 30 days. It's simple, it's manageable. Week 1, you focus 100% on strategy. Week 2, you create that one core piece of content and all of its repurposed assets. Week 3 is all about scheduling it out and getting it published. And then in week 4, you just dip your toes into automation by setting up a simple email flow and running a couple of tests on your headlines or hooks. Totally doable. Now, to execute that plan, you're going to need a few tools. But listen, you do not need dozens. The key is to start small with just a few essentials that map directly to the tasks in your blueprint. And if you look closely, you'll see these categories map perfectly to the blueprint we just talked about. You've got tools for content creation, tools for social media distribution, and of course, automation through your CRM or tools like Zapier. The most important point here is that you don't need all of these at once. Just pick one tool from 1 or 2 categories that solves your biggest headache right now and start there. Before we wrap up, this section is incredibly important. Using AI powerfully means using it wisely and ethically. So let's cover some non-negotiable best practices. First, always maintain your brand voice by training the AI on your own content. Second, a human has to fact-check every single claim and statistic. AI can and does get things wrong. Third, get good at prompting. The more specific you are with your instructions, the better your results will be. And finally, always respect data privacy. Trust is your most valuable asset. Don't mess it up. So let's bring it all home. Here is your 5-step checklist to get started today. First, define one specific problem you want AI to solve for you. Second, choose just one tool to start with. Third, map out those week 1 strategy tasks we talked about. Fourth, plan that very first core piece of content. And fifth, set up one simple A/B test to run in week 4. If you follow these 5 steps, you will be well on your way. And that brings us to the end of our roadmap. We've covered the what, the how, and the why. So now, the final question is for you. What kind of business are you building, and what is the #1 marketing goal you're trying to hit this year? Let me know in the comments below. Because that answer, that's the real starting point for your entire AI marketing strategy.